welcome to my channel. Yes, it's your girl Georgette with another one. And are you new to me? Please subscribe to my channel at the end if you would have gotten some value. Yes, and put your notifications on. Yes. Like, share, drop a comment below after the video. And I'm going to leave other videos popping up for your watching pleasure. Yes. So today I want to talk about, I was listening to Bob Proctor and he was talking about goal setting. And, oftentimes we set goals that are just way too small. And that's what he was talking about in his mega goal setting 5-day challenge. It started on Monday. Today's the second day. And he says that people just do not set big enough goals. Goals are for us to grow. And he said there's a gentleman who came to him and wanted to purchase a newer vehicle. And he asked the gentleman, what type of vehicle do you have now? He said he had a Pontiac. He said, what type of vehicle do you want to buy? He said he wants to buy the latest version Pontiac. That the one that he has that he bought is 4 years old. And that's what Bob says. So we know you know how to buy a Pontiac. Now set a bigger goal that you don't know how you're going to reach it. Perhaps a Rolls Royce, something that you desire. But don't think about how you're going to get it. And that's it. I too was at that place. I would set goals, but I would know how I'm going to go about doing it. You see? When I wanted to do personal training, I knew I had to study. I had to take the course. I took the exam. When I wanted to do life coaching, I enrolled online. I did it. I took the exam. And so I would set goals, but I would know how to achieve them until I'm in mentorship programs. I have quite a few mentors. Tony Robbins is someone that I look up to. I watch all of his videos. I'm under his mentorship. Dean Graciosi, you're talking about Wesley Virgin is my first mentor. And he deals with a lot with the mindset. Then Bob Proctor, I follow Bob Proctor's teachings, and it's just amazing. A goal that you set, it's for you to grow, to level up. You have to level up to meet your goals. Don't know how you're gonna get it. Don't know how you're gonna achieve it. But that's what you desire. That's the goal that you've set for yourself. And if you guys have watched any of my videos, there's a video where I was in California a couple weeks ago, and I went to the dealership that carries my dream vehicle, the Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 G-Wagon, $250,000 vehicle. And I actually test drove that vehicle. And like my mentor always says, get it out of your head, put it in journals. I have so many journals. These are filled. I do 3 pages every day of journaling of my goals, of my desires. Because when you get it out of your head and you get it on paper, you bring life to that thought. It's now on paper. You can look at it. You now get ideas. But you first have to set the goal. Bigger, enormous goals. People look at you like, are you really crazy, Georgette? Yes, I may be, but I'm not doing what the norm does. If someone wants to go on a vacation, they would say, in 2 months, I should save my airline ticket, my hotel. Not me. I set goals where I'm desiring to go on vacations and I'm checking on the first class tickets, the penthouse suites, to be chauffeur driven around. I don't know how I'm going to get all of that, but I don't need to know that. I've thought about it and it's now in my journal. And that's the thing. And that's the principle of goal setting. Set big, big, big goals that you don't know how you're going to accomplish them. Then get that out of your head and get it on paper. There's power, there's energy in writing. And so you do that, and you will find ideas, resources, opportunities coming at you left, right, and center. Oftentimes we set small goals, but set enormous goals that you don't know how you're going to achieve them. I don't know how I'm going to achieve my goals, but I know I will. And I will come back on here. I'll be shooting live from the dealership when I'm going to pay for it cash in full. And when I'm on the first class, I'll be showing you, yes, I will. And so that's what I want to share with you. You guys know I'm always sharing. I'm sharing my journey along. And as I learn, I share with you guys. We have, I think, a little over 100 days left in 2021. Don't wait for New Year's Eve to set goals. Oh, kick that to the curb. I did a video on that. Kick New Year's resolution to the curb. Set goals now. Set them now. You have 100+ days. You can accomplish goals if you set them right now. Yes, you can. First, think about the goal. Then get it out of your head. Get it on paper. Yes, yes, yes. And that's what I want to share with you guys today on my channel. I thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you got value. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, drop a comment below. What big goals are you going to now set? Now that you know, you don't need to know how you're going to get it, how you're going to accomplish it, how you're going to achieve it. You just need to set that goal. Get it out of your head, write it on paper. Yes, drop that comment in the comment box below. I'm going to leave videos popping up, and I have a free gift for you in the link below, and also my step-by-step guide of goal setting. Check that out. Ladies, I have something super special only for you in the link below as well. The thing about braiding is it looks beautiful, but then there's a time you gotta loose these out, and now it's time to loose my braids out. Oh boy, it's gonna be a couple of hours, but I gotta loose them out. I thank you so much for stopping by. I love you, all of you, so much. And my desire is to inspire, motivate, and to help transform your life like I have done mine. So check out the link below. It's transformational. It helps with goal setting. And so I do hope to hear from you. I love you so much. It's your girl, Georgette, sending you love and light. Bye-bye. Take care. Mwah.